Good morning, everyone. Adam Linnemann, the Green Executive, and Sarah's here.
And Sarah Linnemann here.
Where have you been?
I can't keep up anymore. It's been fun.
Where are you going?
Getting to visit lots of companies, and coming up next is Boston and Boston, Massachusetts, Apopka, Florida, and then Northern Indiana.
So we've been busy traveling, particularly Sarah has been helping people identify and make more profit, right? Really?
Well, these are LMN visits, and we very much see glimpses of profit first within LMN. So
there you go. So what we want to talk about real quick this morning is, are you a profiteer? And if you are...
Adam said that, and I said, what?
What's a profiteer?
What are you talking
about? A profiteer is somebody...
Yeah,
so a profiteer is somebody that is clearly identifying ways to find profit in their business. That's what I like to have as a description of that. So with that being said, I'm going to ask you, Sarah, when can people identify profit in their business and how?
Oh, anytime.
And it's not just like when they file their taxes and, we made a profit.
Now I know where this came from. This came from, because people will reach out to us or when we're in conversation with other companies, and they very often look at the profit and loss sheet to see if they made a profit for the year. That's really misleading, really, really misleading. You don't have to look at just one piece of paper. You do have to get a whole picture of what your company is doing. So you can identify profit anytime that you're looking for it and have your eyes open to it, not your blinders on.
Not just at tax time, though,
right,
too.
not just at tax time. And sometimes people say, well, I'm waiting to hear back from my accountant how we did. You don't have to do that. You don't have to wait for your accountant to tell you how you did. So take those blinders off, and first of all, trust your instincts, because your instincts are a tool for you to use, and a lot of times people don't follow them, and it comes up when we're working with them. They already know it. They already know. Everyone says, yeah, I suspected that. So trust your instincts is number one. So follow those as to where money's leaking and what services you think are most profitable. And then you can prove yourself right using numbers.
So to be able to identify like the pulse of the company of where your profit currently is you can run a profit and loss statement. But you don't want to take that with, you do want to take that with a grain of salt, because there is a lot going into it, but that will help you identify in a snapshot of time where your business is, number one. And number two, what else can they look at to identify if their business is financially healthy? So
your profit and loss is a tool that can be used with other tools, such as your balance sheet. Because if you look at your profit and loss only, it's going to potentially say that you have all this money left over as profit. But in profit first terms, you don't have that cash, right? Profit first terms is all cash flow, because over on your balance sheet is a lot of things, a lot of information that hits over there that you paid for all year, like your equipment loans. Things like that are coming off of your balance sheet. So when we're looking at profit on a profit and loss statement, it's a little misleading, because you might say, where's all my money at that I made last year? Because you don't have it. The truth is that it was reinvested in your business, part of your operating expenses that went along to pay for all this equipment that you have, or loans or other things on the balance sheet.
So we just wanted to talk a little bit about things like that, and to take that into consideration.
So,
if your bills are paid and if you have a lot of money in the bank, you're probably doing okay, right?
Your cash flow is another, like a third tool. So you have your profit and loss, your balance sheet, and then your cash flow is really a good indicator of how things are flowing. Yeah.
So if you have any more questions, just reach out to us. Anything else, Sarah, to wrap up?
Just take those blinders off and trust your instincts.
All right. Well, wish you safe travels.
Oh, well, thanks.
Take care, everybody. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.